Welcome to Quizmania, the ultimate destination for quiz lovers. Subscribe now and test your knowledge every day.
Which bird is the only one that can fly backward? Is it the hummingbird, the sparrow, or the eagle? Hummingbird, the tiny acrobat of the skies. Let's fly into the next question. Which continent has the most countries? Is it Asia, Europe, or Africa? Africa. 54 nations packed with diversity. Let's see what's next. What is the biggest car company in the world? Is it Toyota, Volkswagen, or Tesla? Toyota, the industry giant. Buckle up for the next one. Which animal is known as the ship of the desert? Is it the llama, the camel, or the elephant? Camel, the ultimate desert traveler. Let's trek to the next question. What is the currency of South Korea? Is it the yen, the won, or the baht? Won! A win if you got it right. Now, let's cash in on the next question. Who directed the movie Avatar? Is it James Cameron, Steven Spielberg, or Christopher Nolan? James Cameron. He took us to Pandora. Now, let's journey to the next question. In which sport would you perform a slam dunk? Is it tennis, basketball, or volleyball? Basketball. That's a slam dunk if you got it right. Let's jump to the next one. What is the hardest natural substance on Earth? Is it diamond, gold, or iron? Diamond. Tougher than a pop quiz. Speaking of which, here's the next one. What is the name of the fairy in Peter Pan? Is it Tinker Bell, Wendy, or Glimmer? Tinker Bell, the tiny legend. Now, let's fly to the next question. What is the national flower of the United States? Is it tulip, rose, or sunflower? Rose! A classic beauty. Now, let's pick another great question. What is the most expensive material in the world? Is it diamond, antimatter, or platinum? Antimatter. Worth trillions per gram. Let's get into the next high-value question. What's the chemical formula for water? Is it CO2, H2O, or O2? H2O, the formula for life. Now, let's dive into the next question. What's the national animal of Canada? Is it moose, beaver, or polar bear? Beaver, the master builder of the wild. Let's construct the next question. Which footballer was nicknamed the Black Diamond? Is it Pelé, Ronaldinho, or Eusebio? Pelé, a true football legend. Now, let's see if you can score the next one. Which car brand produces the Mustang? Is it Chevrolet, Ford, or Dodge? Ford, the muscle car legend. Let's race to the next question. What is the capital of Argentina? Is it Buenos Aires, Lima, or Santiago? Buenos Aires, the heart of Argentina. Let's keep exploring. What's the name of the villain in The Lion King? Is it Scar, Jafar, or Gaston? Scar, the most infamous uncle in animation. Next question coming up. How many hearts does an octopus have? Is it 2, 3, or 4? Three. That's a whole lot of love. Let's move on to the next one. What is the chemical symbol for oxygen? Is it O2, OX, or OM? O2. Breathe easy. We've got another question coming up. What's the main ingredient in guacamole? Is it cucumber, avocado, or zucchini? Avocado. Smooth, just like that answer. Next question incoming. What is the color of a ruby? Is it blue, red, or green? Red! Like passion and power. Let's heat things up with the next question. Which dog breed is known for rescuing people in the Alps? Is it German Shepherd, Saint Bernard, or Husky? Saint Bernard! The furry lifesaver. Let's move to the next challenge. What is the boiling point of water in Celsius? Is it 90 degrees Celsius, 100 degrees Celsius, or 120 degrees Celsius? 100 degrees Celsius. The heat is on! Time for the next question. What is the national dish of Italy? Is it sushi, pizza, or paella? Pizza! The ultimate classic. Let's slice into the next question. Who was the first man to walk on the moon? Is it Buzz Aldrin, Neil Armstrong, or Yuri Gagarin? Neil Armstrong. One small step, one big answer. Let's shoot for the next question. How many UEFA Champions League titles does Real Madrid have as of 2024? Is it 10, 14, or 12? 14! The Kings of Europe. Let's see if you can tackle the next one. What is the richest country in the world by GDP per capita? Is it Switzerland, Qatar, or USA? Qatar. Small but wealthy. Let's cash in on the next question. Who wrote Sherlock Holmes? Is it Agatha Christie, Arthur Conan Doyle, or Mark Twain? Arthur Conan Doyle. The mastermind of mystery. Next question, detective. What is the tallest building in the world? Is it Shanghai Tower, Burj Khalifa, or Empire State Building? Burj Khalifa. Touching the sky. Let's rise to the next question. How many planets are in the solar system? Is it 7, 8, or 9? 8. Sorry, Pluto. Let's orbit into the next one. What is the capital of Turkey? Is it Istanbul, Ankara, or Izmir? Ankara. Not Istanbul, tricky one. Next question coming up. Which country is famous for inventing sushi? Is it China, Japan, or South Korea? Japan, the land of sushi. Let's roll into the next one. When was the first Transformers movie released? Is it 2007, 2010, or 2005? 2007. Autobots, roll out. Next question coming up. Who painted the Mona Lisa? Is it Michelangelo, Leonardo da Vinci, or Rembrandt? Da Vinci, the genius of the Renaissance. Let's get creative with the next question. What is the official language of Brazil? Is it Spanish, Portuguese, or French? Portuguese. Not Spanish, gotcha. Next one coming up. What's the national sport of Canada? Is it ice hockey, baseball, or rugby? Ice hockey. Cold, fast, and thrilling. Next question on the way. Who is the Greek god of war? Is it Zeus, Ares, or Poseidon? Ares, the warrior of Olympus. Let's battle through the next question. What's the most common blood type? Is it O+, A-, or B+? O+, the universal donor. Next question loading. What's the name of the cowboy in Toy Story? Is it Buzz, Woody, or Jessie? Woody, a rootin' tootin' legend. Let's round up the next question. What's the rarest M&M color? Is it blue, brown, or red? Brown, the undercover candy. That's a wrap. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the quiz, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more fun challenges.